So I got a great story for you. I'm in the showroom Monday morning. Gentleman walks in, says, I drove all the way from Pennsylvania. And I had to kind of like ask him again, from Pennsylvania? And he's like, yeah, he's got New York plates, but he lived in New York, he moved to Pennsylvania, so he ended up driving from Pennsylvania out to us. And I basically asked him, why did you decide? And he goes, well, you're the one that makes the roof rack, and you're the one that makes the rock sliders, and you're the one that makes the ladder. So I'd rather come out to you guys and have you guys install your stuff. One of the things we also did is we installed his IBOC kit that he brought with him. You know, am I opposed to installing someone else's parts? Absolutely not. I mean, it was great that we were able to take the IBOC kit and compare it to our Westcott Designs collar kit for height, which we've done in another video to show you that. So really cool that this guy made the travel. Now he's gonna road trip home, he's gonna go through Moab, he's gonna go to some different places and check his truck out, get some pictures for us and stuff. But it was really nice that this guy was willing to make that kind of drive to come see us at our shop. I've done many videos with people from all over the country, from Hawaii, Canada, Ontario, Canada, and for someone to drive across the country for us to allow us to work on their car truly means a lot. So we appreciate him doing that, and we hope he enjoys his vehicle and all the things we did to it. And just want to say thank you to everybody out there that has made that drive for us or believes in us. And you know, hopefully he enjoys his vehicle as much as we did getting to work on it. So.
Hey, my name's Mahan. I'm from upstate New York, currently live in Pennsylvania. I've been looking to get my 4Runner worked on for a while, and after doing some research, I opted to go with Westcott Designs on their roof rack, ladder, and originally I was just going to purchase it and try installing all the parts myself, but never having been out to the West Coast, I thought it was a better option just to have the guys who make the products really reliable just do the job themselves. So I planned an entire road trip around it, drove out west since I've never been out here, and now I'm planning on taking this up to Utah, up to Moab, taking it off-road there, and I'm excited about it. It's just about done. It's been an amazing experience. I reached out to Tommy maybe about like 6 weeks ago. He helped me with the sale, helped me decide what would probably be the best for my needs. And he's been actually a phenomenal guy. I dropped the car off on Monday. He's been in touch every single day for the past like 4 or 5 days, telling me what's being worked on with the car, and ultimately when I get the car back and when I can hit the road again for my road trip. These guys have been phenomenal. They've been super helpful. The customer service, I can't even state enough. It's exceptional. These are phenomenal people working here, and I strongly recommend them.
So what we installed in this car when it was in from Pennsylvania was we installed the IBOC Pro Kit. We installed our set of 0 degree with top plates, TIG welded rock sliders with kick out. We installed our modular roof rack with the Dyno Dynamics 40-inch light bar, and we wired all that for him. And then around the back, we installed our Westcott Designs ladder. So that was what was done here at the shop with us. It came out really good, looks super clean. We've also got some measurements on here because like we talk about in our videos, super important to take measurements before you lift your truck and then take the measurements after, so then you really know what the end results was for you. So we've got those here listed for you as well.